Autodesk Maya is a professional 3D computer graphics software widely used in the film, television, animation, and video game industries for creating and animating 3D models, characters, and scenes. Here are some key features and aspects of Autodesk Maya. Modeling. Maya provides a set of robust tools for creating 3D models. Artists can use polygonal modeling, NURBS, non-uniform rational B-splines, modeling, and sculpting tools to build intricate 3D objects. Animation. Maya is renowned for its animation capabilities. It supports keyframe animation, character rigging, inverse kinematics, IK, and dynamic simulations. Animators can create lifelike movement for characters and objects. Rendering. The software includes a powerful rendering engine that allows artists to create realistic images and animations. Maya supports various rendering techniques, including global illumination, ambient occlusion, and ray tracing. Texturing and shading. Maya enables artists to apply textures and shaders to 3D models, enhancing their visual appearance. It supports various mapping techniques, procedural textures, and advanced shading options. Dynamics and simulation. Maya offers tools for simulating physical phenomena such as fluid dynamics, cloth, hair, and particles. This allows for realistic simulations of natural elements in animations. Scripting and API. Maya is highly customizable and extensible. Users can create custom scripts using MEL, Maya Embedded Language, or Python to automate tasks and develop plugins. This flexibility is particularly valuable for studios with specific workflow requirements. Collaboration and integration. Maya is designed to integrate seamlessly into the production pipeline. It supports interoperability with other industry standard software and file formats, facilitating collaboration between different departments in a production. Industry standard. Maya is widely used in the entertainment industry and is considered an industry standard software for 3D modeling and animation. Many professionals and studios use Maya for creating visual effects, animated films, and video games. Whether it's designing characters for an animated film, creating visual effects for a movie, or developing 3D assets for a video game, Autodesk Maya provides the tools and capabilities necessary for a wide range of 3D content creation tasks.